In this activity, you and the members of your team will play the roles of paleontologists working in the field in Montana near the town of Randock. One clear, crisp afternoon in October, you find 4 well-preserved and complete fossil bones. Withdraw 4 fossil bones from your envelope. Make sure to take them out without looking at the other ones remaining in the envelope. So this is day 1 of our dig. I'm going to go ahead and pull out 4 fossil bones. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. That night in camp, after dinner, around a Coleman lantern, you and your colleagues begin to assemble the 4 bones that you found earlier. Since the bones were all found together and in an undisturbed layer, you assume that they're all from the same animal. You spend the rest of the evening trying different arrangement of the bones in hopes of identifying the animal. As the night wears on, you get weary and decide to retire and begin anew in the morning. Before you go to bed, jot down on your worksheet the type of animal you may think it may be. So this is the worksheet right here. Every single day you're going to go ahead and either draw or write what the fossil looks like. What kind of animal do you think it is? Jot it down there. And then why do you think that the animal is that fossil? Okay, so this is day number 2. Montana's mornings are marvelous. They're clear, cool, and clean. Just the kind of day you need to get work done on the dig. The rock layers that hold your fossils are very hard and only grudgingly give up 3 more specimens. With the day at the end, you make your way back to camp for another try at assembling this mysterious animal. So you're going to go ahead and take out 3 more bones. Here is 1. Ooh, 2. And 3. You're going to take the next 3 to 5 minutes to incorporate the new fossils into your thought process. So we have a hand here, maybe a hand here. These long bones may be attached to these hands. Depends on what you think. So here are all the bones. For day 2, make sure to write down what these bones look like. What kind of animal do you think it is now, and why? So we added these 2 long ones, and like a hand bone here. It's getting late and you are getting weary. Maybe tomorrow you'll find the answer to the puzzle. So be sure to write down what you think this animal may be. Maybe this is like at the end of the hand. So this is day 3. The next day is cold. It is the last day of the digging season. Winter lurks behind the mountains and you must leave. Just as the day is about to go on in disappointment and defeat, one member of the group cries out, "I've got them!" They did find 3 more bones. So grab 3 more bones from the envelope. We have 1 here. Oops. 2. And 3. So this is day 3. Make sure to add those 3 bones in this column here. What kind of animal do you think it is, and why do you think that it is that animal? So we can try to rearrange it. If you think the head is connected up here, we have these ones, these ones. Back in the lab at Randock, you go on searching in the resource library, and you find some partial skeleton drawings from another group working at a different location, but dealing with the same geological period. They found a skeleton similar to yours, but with some additional bones that you don't have. So at this point, you would look at another group's findings. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bones. So I'll just recreate it. So if we have another group, there are some different bones that that group had, such as this part. Maybe it's a jaw. Same with these ones. Maybe they connect like this. More small bones. So go ahead and add that to your day 4 as you are collaborating with other scientists. What are the new bones? Based on that, if it's in the same era, what kind of animal do you think it is? Did it help you or not? Why do you think so? And then we'll go to day 5. At this time, it is day 5, and we are back at your own laboratory, and you find this skeleton resource manual with drawings of skeletons of some existing animals. You notice that there are interesting similarities between some of the drawings that you found of your unknown fossil and drawings here. So you're going to use these drawings to assist you in your final assembly of the fossil skeleton, and then you're going to record what animal you think it may be. So here are some of the pictures. We have the first page here. Could be a bat or a bird. We also have a cat and a rabbit. And the last 3 pictures is a fish, a salamander, and a frog. So with all that added data, make sure to write on day 5, what does the fossil look like, what kind of animal do you think it is, and why do you think so. Once you are done with that side, the back side of the page has all of these questions, so you can answer which type of animal you suspected in each of the 5 days, and then these 9 follow-up questions.